In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add people on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, press the PlayStation button on your controller, and from this menu, scroll down, and you're looking for this little like game base icon right here. Go ahead and select that. And once you're in game base, you're going to see an option on here that says search for players. Go ahead and select that. And from here, what you need to do is just enter in the name or ID of really whoever it is that you're trying to play with or person that you're trying to add. You can enter in just their username or even their online ID. It doesn't necessarily matter. Let's just go ahead and say Amanda right here is who we're trying to add. Select them and then of course hit add friend on them just like so. From here, a friend request is going to be sent over to that person. And once they accept that friend request, it'll be added to your friends list. It's going to pop up in that exact same section in this little game base area, or even sometimes in their notifications as well. So check both of those locations right here and you might see it. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.